I got here something that will keep you guessing. Yeah, it's gonna lock you out. And what is it? Get a nice close-up look. On the table, you got your locking ends, your combination lock, 6 screws, and instruction manual. Factory set is 000. So when you spin this, it locks into place. And you bring it back to 000, it opens up. You notice it doesn't go all the way to the end. In order to change the number, you're going to make sure the shaft is fully out this way on the combination that is 000. You're going to pull up. You're going to lift this as far as possible to the end, and then you're going to change your numbers. So I got it to 0001. Then I'm going to lift up, and I'm going to do this. It takes a couple of tries to do. If the first time it doesn't work, try again. Lift up, pull it all the way to the end, and it springs back. You're wrong. You're not doing it right. So lift up, all the way to the end, and then change this to the 1. And then you're going to lift, and there you go. So now when you put it to the 0, it's locked. And you put it to the 1, it opens. So to change that back, you're going to lift up all the way to the end. You're going to feel a little click. Bring it to the 0, and then you bring it back, and then you 000. And that is how you change the lock. I'm going to go lock somebody out.
These screws are great. They go in one way and they can't go out the other way. So what I do is I align this up like so. I bring the lock out like this. Put my lock up, turn my combinations, and they can't get in anymore. They won't be able to open up my drawer. So you want to lock people out. That's what you do. And then you spin the combinations. And man, I forgot my combination. What do I do now? Oh man. It's a little hard for me to see the letterings, but once it's open, off I go. I want to change that combination. Again, this has to be up, pull out, all the way to the bottom as far as you could go. Change it to a number 1, let go. And now it's 0001. And there I am, locked. I want to change it back to the factory, pull it all the way down, 000. On that note, I hope you enjoy your lock, your friends out. Drawer lock, whatever you want to put it on. Enjoy this combination lock kit.